Is it time to buy or sell Cipher Mining stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Cipher Mining. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 23rd of September 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of August 2025, our system has placed Cipher Mining in the Hold Accumulate category, assigning it a score of 0. Let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, achieving a gain of 133.88% since we first recommended purchasing Cipher Mining 26 days ago. This results in an average return of 5.15% per day since it was designated as Hold Accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could take either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Any potential pullback will find support at the ceiling of the current trend, which has shifted at $11.31. This level may present a second opportunity for a significant upward movement. According to fan theory, $15.02 could emerge as the next possible peak, creating a resistance level that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential increase of 123.90% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 20.28% to 78.99%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 20.73%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of 76.8% to a decline of 25.57% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.39 and $10.53. Our latest daily update for Cipher Mining features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Cipher Mining Inc. The stock price of Cipher Mining Inc. increased by 1.36% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 23rd of September 2025, moving from $13.96 to $14.15. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.55%, with a daily low of $13.45 and a daily high of $14.73. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 53.47% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume rose alongside the price on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 7 million more shares exchanged than the previous day. In total, 50 million shares changed hands for approximately $713,710,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $14.73, while the lowest was $1.86. Currently, the price sits 3.97% or 58.4 cents below the 52-week high, and 8.06% or $1.24 beneath the all-time high, which was recorded on September 17, 2021, when the price peaked at $15.39. Cipher Mining, ticker CIFR, is back in focus this week following a recent analyst upgrade to a Zacks Rank 2, a change that typically attracts short-term buying and momentum traders. This comes after a mid-September surge fueled by a stronger Bitcoin price and several positive analyst notes, which propelled the stock into double-digit weekly gains. Operationally, Cipher has been providing monthly production updates for July and August, indicating progress in mining capacity. However, its second quarter results revealed a wider loss and revenue that fell short of expectations, presenting clear near-term challenges. In the short term, the rating upgrade and positive market sentiment may boost the share price as investors pursue growth and momentum driven by catalysts. Over the longer term, the stock's performance will depend on sustained Bitcoin prices, Cipher's ability to scale production efficiently and improve margins from lower costs or higher hash rates, continued operational success, and profitable quarters would support lasting gains, while repeated disappointments or declining cryptocurrency prices could exert pressure on the stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CIFR a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned CIFR a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Compass Point assigned CIFR a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned CIFR an outperform grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Compass Point assigned CIFR an underperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Cipher Mining stock a general strong sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book value to both be strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Cipher Mining. The Cipher Mining Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $12.43 and $7.90. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, and so far, the stock has increased by nearly 200%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. The trading volume is increasing along with the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 192 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 27 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 66 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Cipher Mining. Cipher Mining Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $13.96, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a significantly large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.28 between its high and low, representing a change of 9.55%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 12.05%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Cipher Mining, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -6 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Cipher Mining. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Cipher Mining encounters its first support level at $13.96. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Cipher Mining from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by V3 Holding Limited, who bought and sold 2,690,038 shares or options in the company. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 68.061. In total, insiders acquired 6,374,661 shares and disposed of 27,031,842 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.68, reflecting a decrease of 3.34%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over a period of 14 days, stands at 83, further elevating the risk. Notably, there is a buy signal stemming from a pitted bottom identified 29 days ago. Is Cipher Mining stock a good buy? Cipher Mining Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, these alone do not make it a strong buy candidate. At this time, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to hold or accumulate shares while monitoring future developments. Following an analysis of the price volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current share price may be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 24th of September, we anticipate that Cipher Mining will open lower by approximately 3.86 cents, beginning trading at $14.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.